Alright, welcome back. Hopefully that calculator activity went smooth and you're just getting into the habit of keystroke activities. For those of you using your phone, okay, you may have noticed that it's not the same as the TI. You have to go backwards, right? So in this case on number 1, sine 51, I go 51 and then I have to hit the sin button, okay? So one of the reasons to do this is because each calculator you have to go a different direction. In case that didn't make sense to you, I showed you how to go sine 51, but in the desktop scientific 51 trigonometry sin. Okay, so that's another reason to practice, because each calculator has different keystroke sequences to get the same answer. Alright, let's go do some puzzles. Call it a week. Alright, our next quote, Wayne Gretzky. If you don't know who Wayne Gretzky is, write it on your note sheet and Google him sometime. You will always miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. In other words, please participate. Alright, just like we did before, we have a puzzle here. I would like you to pause the video, take 3 or 4 minutes, work through it, and in class share out what was your first notice, wondering how did you start, because maybe other people in the classroom started differently. The beauty of math is there's usually more than one way to start. See you in a minute. Alright, spoiler alert. Okay, so you might have shared out. When I see this, normally the bottom one you have to have all the stuff put together, right? So we got some sort of a, what is that, a monkey, call it a sheep or a lamb? Sheep? And what are we calling this guy? I don't know. I'm going to say it's a sheep, lamb. Okay, I'm going to say monkey. And I'm going to say that's a squirrel because of the tail. And K for koala. And we'll do L for lamb. Okay, because I'm not sure lamb. Okay, now this doesn't really help. This is equal to 2 of these. The lamb is equal to 2 squirrels, right? Plus the squirrel, right? Get rid of the squirrels. Lamb is equal to 2 squirrels. Ooh. If the lamb is equal to 2 of these, that might be a starting point. This could be a starting point. And then, wow, this one looks hard. Koala. Okay. K times K times K equals 27. What number times itself 3 times is 27? I didn't give us easy puzzles this week. Anybody know? Anybody pause the video? Take a look. What number times itself 3 times is 27? I'm going to grab a calculator. Move my head. 2 times 2 times 2. 3 times 3 times 3. Threes. 3, 3, 3, 3. The koala is 3, but how did that help me? 3. Okay, now, what are we doing here? I think the key is going to be right here. Okay. So we have a number and 2 number lamb. The lamb is 2 squirrels. times 2 squirrels. So we're going to have a squirrel times a squirrel times a squirrel is 18. So we have, no, we can't do that. That's not the same as lamb equals 2 squirrels. Okay, 2 squirrels equals a lamb. So lamb times a lamb is 18. Okay, 18. 18. Okay, so 3 times the monkey equals 18. Divide by 3, divide by 3. The monkey is 6. Monkey is 6. Monkey 6. Lamb, squirrel 18. 6 times 18, 48, 108, 108. Question mark is 108. Monkey is 6, so we're good to here. Monkey is 6. This is an 18 because we got it from here. So we need the lamb and the squirrel. Pause the video and see if anybody has solved the lamb and the squirrel. Okay? I think I know what I want to say. Squirrel plus the lamb. No. Squirrel times the lamb. Using guess and check, did anybody get squirrel times lamb is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. No. Guess and check. 6 for the squirrel. No, I had it. 3. 3 for the squirrel. Let's grab a different color. 3 for the squirrel. 3 for the squirrel. 3 for the squirrel. 3 for the squirrel. 6 for the lamb. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6. I think it'd be cool if there were other people out there that didn't have to use guess and check. That was quite a problem, huh? And we used this one because we had to come up with a number times itself 3 times to get 27. Little calculator activity. I wonder what 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. All right. See if you all came up with these answers. Don't have to. All right. Now when we turn the page, new puzzle. Pause the video. Take 3 or 4 minutes. And what was your starting point? See if you can share that out in class. Go. Got a starting point? Okay, next bell, I'm going to start working. Okay, so pause the video, share it out in class. Okay, now again, the bottom usually has no help, no help, no help. It's going to be right in here, okay? Because we know that a number times itself 3 times is going to be the barn, but what number are we multiplying times itself 3 times? And the key in my world was right here, okay? So we've got the milk jug, and we've got corn, and we have a barn. I think that's it, 3 variables. So now, because this was calculator activity week, we want to find a number times itself. What can go in here, right? And we have milk jug, milk jug. Can't we divide both sides by 9? And then we get milk jug times milk jug equals 729 over 9. So let's grab our calculator, and we'll grab the computer app one. 729 divided by 9 is 81. So now m times m is 81. Well, I thought that Mr. Miller the other day said m times n. Remember x times x equals x squared? Yeah. So m squared equals 81. Well, this week we've been working with that thing called the radical, that thing called the square root. The opposite of squared is, right? They're right next to each other. Square, square root. 81 square root. 9 times 9 times 9 is 7. Cool. So the milk jug is 9. And we just learned that 9 times 9 times 9 is 729. Okay, so wherever we see a milk jug, let's start at 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. If you want, pause the video. You guys finish the puzzle. Spoiler alert. Okay, grab a new color. And right here, 9 times 9 times corn equals 162. Well, I know 9 times 9 is 81. Times C is 162. Divide both sides by the 81, right? The opposite of multiply is divide, and the corn is 2. Corn is 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. It's like a tutu. Alright, so now we got to get the barn, right? And then we'll start right here, and the barn is 2 times 2 times 2. What's 2 times 2 times 2? If you have to, grab your calculator. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Grab the fancy calculator. 2 times 2 times 2, 8. I like the way it lines it up so you can see it. So now the barn is 8. So 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Now we can finish it. 2 times 9 times 2 times 8 times 9, 72, 144. Grab a calculator. 2 times 8 times 9, 144. 8 times 2 times 9. 9 times 8 times 2. And the moral to the story is the associative property, or is it the commutative property? Order doesn't matter. 2 times 8 times 9 is the same as 8 times 2 times 9, which is the same as 9 times 8 times 2. Have a great weekend, everybody. These were problems we needed a calculator, huh?